Imagine walking on the ocean floor, surrounded by tropical fish, and even petting a stingray, all without knowing how to swim. Sounds unreal, right? But this is one of the most incredible experiences you can have in Bora Bora. If you are visiting Bora Bora and want something unforgettable, unique, and surprisingly easy, you have to try helmet diving, also known as an underwater safari. Here is exactly what to expect. If you're arriving by cruise ship, most likely you will anchor in Vaitape Bay, from where you will take a short tender ride to the Vaitape Pier. If you have some time, definitely explore Vaitape village. It's small but charming. From the pier, you will be picked up by a small motorboat and proceed across the lagoon to a designated area. You will see the anchored boat in the middle of the lagoon with equipment and a diving instructor waiting for you. You will switch the boats, and it's where your diving experience will take place. First, instructor Frederici will explain the diving process and safety instructions, which are very simple. You don't have to know how to dive, swim, or have any special skills or experience.
It's like a glass upside down on the water. So you have a space of air. You can pass your finger, you still have the space of air.
After that, one by one, you will start descending to the bottom of the ocean, about 10 feet down. Right before going underwater, they will put a special diving helmet on you. It's filled with fresh air through the tube. The helmet is so heavy that it will help you effortlessly sink to the bottom of the ocean. However, you will not feel a bit, because as soon as you hit the water, it becomes weightless. One by one, everybody will descend on the bottom of the ocean. The helmet is roomy inside, and the glass is clear, not foggy. It's constantly filled with fresh air, so it is so comfortable to breathe that you will even forget you're wearing a helmet. You will be given a small bag of food that attracts tropical fish and Coco, the local celebrity stingray. She has been working with Frederici for many years. She is excited to see everyone, and she knows her routine very well. Also, she is very protective of her turf. She will fight away any other stingrays who try to take her place. You will see an abundance of other tropical and colorful fish that will swim all around you and make the experience extra fun. Coco acts like an adorable underwater pet, and you will see how proud and happy she is working with Frederici. It seems as they have a special bond. She is very friendly and will swim all around you, letting you gently pet her and take pictures with her. For an additional charge, you can get a digital picture package of your underwater experience. Walking on the ocean floor, surrounded by amazing fish and crystal clear water, feels surreal and like stepping into another world. It's very joyful, exciting, and exuberant experience. And the best thing is that you don't have to be a scuba diver, or know how to swim, or be in excellent physical shape to have these amazing up-close encounters with wildlife on the bottom of the ocean. It's accessible to everyone, including children. You don't even have to wet your face or hair for this tour. So in my opinion, helmet diving in Bora Bora is a must-do. Based on my experience, we had about 30 minutes underwater, and it felt sufficient to not feel rushed. we all had a chance to walk around and enjoy interacting with marine life on our own, while some of us used this opportunity for romantic purposes. Surely, a proposal at the bottom of the Pacific Ocean sounds truly unforgettable and unique. And at the end, I wanted to mention that we choose the Aqua Safari Helmet Diving Tour Operator. They have been providing tours in Bora Bora for over 15 years. Our instructors were very professional and attentive. They understand that some people are afraid and may feel uncomfortable underwater, so they literally watched over everyone to make sure that we had the best and safest experience. I highly recommend this tour operator. However, on our Bora Bora trip, we had a bad experience with another tour operator. If you want to learn more about it, watch my good, bad and ugly video linked below. Let's enjoy a few moments. I hope you enjoyed our Bora Bora, French Polynesia, helmet diving underwater safari and know what to expect to have the most amazing experience. And if you are planning to visit French Polynesia, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss my useful tips and warnings. Watch my Bora Bora all-in-one day video next.